one non-zero digit, one vowel, and one consonant from English alphabet, and all the characters are taken in capitals, are to be used in forming a password, such that each password has to start with the vowel and end with the consonant. Then how many such passwords can be generated? According to the problem, the characters which are present into the password is 3, and each password is started with the vowel and end with the consonant. Means the digits are present in between these two. So we are going to find out how many such passwords can be formed. It is very easy problem, and so many problems in previous video are discussed according to the such conditions. And in this we just going to find out how many possibilities are there to write the character at that place. Like the password is started with vowel, the second character is any digit, and the third character is consonant. You just go and find out how many such possibilities are there to write a character at that place. Like vowel. There are 5 different vowels are present in English alphabet. That's why at this position you have total 5 possibilities to write the digit, means you write the character at this place. So there is total 5 possibilities. And at second place you may write non-zero digit. Non-zero digit, there are total 9. So you have possibility to write total 9 digit at the place second. And at the third place, you have to write a consonant. And in English alphabet, there are total 21 consonant. So you have possibility to write 21 different character at place third. So total password that you may write are the product of all these possibilities. So multiply all these three numbers. First we multiply 9 and 21 and get 9, 18. Multiply by 5, you get 45, 5, 4, 44, 4, 5, 4, 9. 945 means total 945 passwords can be formed by using different vowels at first position, different non-zero digit at second position, and different consonant at third position. So your answer is C. We again meet in next video with certain other problems. Thank you.